Here you can see customer trying to carry 1.5 liter bottle with sole hand. No way. Here is another customer making the same claim and it doesn't work. Here, both customers making the same endorsement after 5 minutes of maintenance, and do you want to do it same for yourself? In this video, you will going to get all the information you need to treat the initial stages of tennis elbow. The symptoms may have started without any specific injury or unusual strain. Initially, the symptoms may come and go on their own, but after a peak in strain, the symptoms can start affecting your sleep, leading you to seek the help for the problem. Tennis elbow has this mechanical pain mechanism, meaning certain movements and strength-demanding tasks can intensify the pain. Typically, there is no significant discomfort in the arm at the rest. So, how do we treat this mechanical pain? Something is irritating the structures causing the pain, and that something needs to be calmed down or relieved. Can you massage the issue? Absolutely. There's a bony spore that can be felt under the skin. A huge number of the muscles attach above and below it. And these may be the structures maintaining the symptoms. Try feeling the structures above the elbow joint, and when you notice the tip of the upper arm starts to broaden, the treatment should be focused front of this bony lip. If you know anyone with the elbow problems, be sure to send them this link. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be able to watch new videos every other week. Thank you. Then, place the index and middle finger top of the elbow like this. When you start to rotate your hand to outwards and inwards, you should feel the cylindrical head of the radius bone between the fingers. As you move above the radius bone, come towards the wrist. If you divide the elbow into 3 parts, the closest 1/3 of the elbow is usually the most problematic. So make sure to include this area in your treatment routine. With Diamond song playing in the background, treat the elbow structures 1 to 2 times per day. If the level of discomfort decreases and you achieve 7 symptom-free days in a row, then you can stop the exercises. However, if any symptoms persist, there might be lack of strength or other contributing factors, and it's advisable to consult a professional. By the way, did the mechanical pain mechanism sound strange earlier? Here is more about the topic.